I remember a few years back, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na magiging VA ako, tapos makikita ko yung sarili ko na nasa mall ng ordinaryong araw dahil posible. Well, guess where I am right now? I'm inside the mall on a Monday and I'm enjoying some Legos there because I love Legos. I'm with my family right now. See, dreams do come true.